Welcome back to Dev Money and today's NFT market update. Well, there's been a lot of things going on in the crypto market. Diving right in, we can see that with OpenSea, we did see even less monthly volume than we saw in May and in June. At May, we're at about $2.6 billion. And then in June, we saw just under $700 million. In July, we saw just shy of $530 million. And then in August, we barely made it over $500 million in total volume. What does that mean? Well, that means that a lot less people are spending money on NFTs, which still makes sense because the market has still been incredibly volatile this entire year. And people are on average looking for less risky investments. They're looking to hold some more cash, hoarding cash, and looking for opportunities where they can maybe invest some money without as much risk as crypto or NFTs. And people are also just saving up a bunch of cash because they're not sure what the market is going to do. And of course, we've seen that reflect in the daily volume as well, because we're seeing the average daily volume floating around the kind of $10 to $16 million mark over on Ethereum. But what's interesting is that the number of NFTs that have sold has stayed relatively constant, meaning that we did see this peak of about 2.2, almost 2.3 million NFTs sold in January. We've gone down ever since to 1.9, down to 1.6 almost, 1.7, 1.45, 1.5, 1.7, and then down in August to 1.4. So we kind of have seen, I would say, just quick math average right around that maybe 1.6, maybe even 1.7 million NFT range. So we've not seen as steep as a decline in terms of total sales as we did in total volume right here in dollars. And that's simply because people are still actually buying NFTs. They're just not spending as much money for them. People aren't spending millions and millions and millions of dollars on NFTs, but they're willing to spend maybe a couple thousands of dollars on NFTs. And you can see that really reflected by looking over at OpenSea, Bored Apes over the last 30 days, about a 2% change in total volume, 74 Ethereum floor price, 1.78 for other deeds, Mutant Apes at about 13, CryptoPunks, obviously you're not gonna see on OpenSea, you gotta go over to Larva Labs website, Moonbird sitting at 11 ETH, down from a peak of about 35 Ethereum or so. So that's about a 60 to 70% decrease in floor price over the last couple of months. And over on CryptoSlam, you can see the different blockchain sales, and you can see that Ethereum NFT sales are down about 21% over the last 30 days, whereas Polygon and Solana are both up. Immutable X is up, Flow is up, BNB is down, and quite a few others like Avalanche and Palm and Wax are also down. And we did see over the last 7 days a big decrease in volume as well. We saw about a 70% decrease on Bored Apes, another 10% on other deeds, 27% on Clone X. Mutant Apes saw 50% decrease, The Gods 30%, and Art Blocks we saw 35% as well. So that's just a really quick, probably 2, maybe 3 minute NFT market update. Gonna be having some more videos out here pretty soon. And as always, thanks for watching. Let me know what you would like to see in the future. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.